Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular hair care products on the market right now, the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother. If you're on the hunt for the best bonding treatment to help your hair look smooth, healthy, and frizz-free, this is the product you need to know about. Olaplex No. 6 is a leave-in styling cream that's been designed to smooth, hydrate, and strengthen your hair while eliminating frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. It's a treatment for all hair types, and whether your hair is curly, straight, thick, or fine, this product is a game changer. What makes this product stand out from others in the market is its ability to repair and protect hair from further damage, while also leaving it with a gorgeous, sleek finish. It's also packed with ingredients that nourish the hair. The formula works to moisturize and hydrate, which helps improve hair's overall texture, reducing dryness and split ends. It's the ideal product for anyone who frequently styles their hair with heat tools, as it speeds up blow-dry times while giving your hair the protection it needs. Imagine having your hair feel softer, shinier, and more manageable in just a few moments of use. The best part? This bonding treatment is vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your purchase. The 3.3 fluid ounces bottle is perfectly sized for both everyday use and travel, and a little bit goes a long way. You only need to apply a small amount, concentrating on your mid-lengths to ends, and style as you normally would. This styling cream also provides long-lasting frizz control, no matter the weather. Whether you're dealing with humidity or the dry air of winter, Olaplex No. 6 helps keep your hair looking flawless all day long. It's the ideal product to use before blow-drying or straightening your hair, ensuring that every style is sleek and smooth. In addition to its smoothing benefits, Olaplex No. 6 strengthens your hair, leaving it not only more manageable but healthier over time. With consistent use, you'll notice a visible improvement in the overall health of your hair. The product is great for those who want to restore moisture and add shine without weighing their hair down or leaving it feeling greasy. In conclusion, if you're looking for a hair treatment that provides both instant results and long-term benefits, the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother is a must-have in your routine. It's a great addition to any hair care regimen, whether you're using it on its own or in combination with other Olaplex products. You'll see your hair looking smoother, shinier, and healthier with just a small amount of this amazing product. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the best beauty and personal care products out there. See you next time.